Please.
The Christian use the Bible as a reference for all their beliefs. How can we best approach them and convince them that they should open their eyes to the Holy Quran as a better and universal source of reference?
The Bible, what did you say about the Bible?
That the Christians always base their beliefs on the Bible. They don't believe in anything else except if it's written in the Bible. So the questioner asks that how can we convince somebody to open their eyes to the Holy Quran?
This question has been repeatedly answered by me from various angles. The fact is that if they believe in the Bible, although Bible has been interpolated, but one principle should be remembered, that those parts of the Bible's verses which relate to future and prophecies, that has not been altered. Not until the time of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Later on they attempted to alter these things, but not at the time of Rasulullah sallam. For instance, Muhammadim is mentioned in the Bible. That a prophet would come whose name would be Muhammadim. So it was clearly about Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The name was given Muhammad, Muhammadim as well. So if you concentrate on those parts of prophecies which relate to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's coming, no problem. Absolutely, it's simplified. You tell them, what does this mean? Who is Muhammadim? Not Isa, not Jesus Christ. Who else is Muhammadim? So why have you changed this after Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam's appearance? And similarly, the word Ahmad is also found in the Bible. Ahmad. And these prophecies are found in the Old Testament as well as the New Testament. So first of all, prove the truth of Rasulullah sallam from the point of view of the Bible. Then you can of course make them interested in Islam and whatever follows. Not otherwise, right?